Examples of conversion. Now, what would I consider as a conversion? A macro conversion is the primary conversion on a website. For example, completed sale on an e-commerce site or completed lead generation form. Whereas in micro conversion relate to a smaller engagement such as subscribing to the newsletter, sign up, or user watching a product video. Micro conversion can often precede the macro conversion. Now, the term macro conversion describes the conversion of a website visitor into a paying customer or a subscriber of a web service. Macro conversion are usually defined as website goals, so that the success of a website can be measured using the conversion rates. Based on this goal, the definition and the using a tracking system, the economic success of a website can be measured so that the specific user action represents the conversion rates. Therefore, a distinction should be made between the actual conversion rate and macro conversion as the target. The extent to which the conversion rates reflect the economic value of the website depends on the business model and the accurate definition of macro conversion. For example, an e-commerce website has a large number of sales as its goal. In this case, this would be the macro conversion. Before completing a purchase process, however, customer must enter their data, review the product, select a payment method, and click the legally binding Buy Now button before a macro conversion takes place. The individual steps before macro conversion are referred as micro conversions or micro interactions. The definition of the macro conversion of a website affects all its element of content, design, layout, and in particular the interaction option at the micro level. Requesting a quote. When a customer is coming to your website, now you have example, if you are interior designers, he would expect a quote from you. So you have to draft a proper quote talking about your square feet and you have to send it to your customer. That is requesting a quote, which is a part of macro conversions. Subscribing to a service. Now, if I want to get activated to your service, which is payment part, which you consider as a macro service, now I have to make the payment for that. Hence, I get activated for the subscribing to your services. Under micro conversion, we have sign up of email list, where often we'll be sending email notification to the users. Creating an account. If I want to access your web page, I should create an account. Adding a product to cart. So this is a part of micro conversion, but once the purchase is made, that becomes a macro conversion.